I finally made it to summer vacation, which, as you know, means I'm up in Maine. And this year's workhorse is the 2019 GMC Acadia, a 3-row midsize SUV that was last redesigned 3 years ago. It has done a yeoman's job of everything I've asked of it thus far. And if you're considering one, here are 10 things you need to know.
There is no better way to get to know a vehicle than by taking it on vacation. Lots of miles, all the sunscreen and sand, constant loading and unloading. At this point, the Acadia and I are very well acquainted.
The headline for the 2019 model year is the availability of this Black Edition package. You can get it on SLT models, and it includes 20-inch wheels and, of course, all sorts of blacked out stuff for a more assertive appearance.
It adds about $1,500 to the price and is different than the less expensive Black Accent package, mainly due to the upsized rims.
When it was last redesigned for the 2017 model year, the Acadia got much smaller, but that hasn't deterred shoppers. This vehicle is coming off of its best first quarter sales ever.
Despite having lost over 7 inches in length, this Acadia maintains a very large second row and a decently sized third row. Where it shrinks is in cargo capacity, big time, especially behind here. But with these seats dropped, I've had no problem loading 3 beach chairs, a tent, cooler, and lots of other stuff. Though a foot-activated tailgate would have come in handy this week for sure.
A front-wheel drive Acadia starts at around $30,000, while this well-equipped SLT1 Tester with all-wheel drive stickers for around $46,000. But if you want the ultimate, most luxurious Acadia experience, there's the Denali model. Load it up though, and it could cross 50 grand.
The Acadia plays in that Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, Nissan Pathfinder arena, every one of them powered by a 3.5-liter V6, getting around 20 mpg when equipped with all-wheel drive. But at 310 horsepower, the Acadia makes more horses than all of them, giving it a refined liveliness that makes it a confident, very quick ride. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine is also offered.
Depending upon how it's configured, with either a second-row bench seat or captain's chairs, the Acadia seats 6 or 7. And these second-row seats slide fore and aft and recline for ultimate passenger comfort. So no one, at least not in this row, has complained about not having enough space.
With your own climate controls, USB ports, and dual sunroofs, these seats are perfect for kids or adults with lots of stretch-out room and good visibility to limit car sickness.
The $385 floor liner package adds these heavy-duty mats to all 3 rows. And when you're on beach patrol, these things are great at trapping the sand.
My tester, the Acadia all-wheel drive SLT1 Black Edition, with the optional sunroofs, floor liners, and ebony twilight metallic paint, comes in at $46,070 and is rated at 17 mpg city, 25 highway, with a 6-speed transmission.
7 days, over 400 miles, 4 people, and lots of beach stuff, and the Acadia has proven to be an excellent vacation companion. It's got an easygoing nature about it, and the ride quality is super smooth. It's quiet, relatively fuel efficient, and its size makes it easy to position in these tiny little coastal towns. Now, all of that being said, big changes are in store for the 2020 model year, including a newly available 2-liter turbo, 3 extra gears for the automatic transmission, a new E-shifter, bolder styling, and a new heads-up display.
The 8-inch touchscreen here works easily and incorporates the cool OnStar features. The Marketplace, where you can place an order at your favorite fast food or fast casual restaurant, and full smartphone integration. There's no wireless charging or onboard navigation, however, but with OnStar or your phone's mapping app, that's not a problem. The Wi-Fi hotspot and Bose stereo have kept everyone calm this week. Now, I didn't, but if you're interested in towing, this Acadia maxes out at a useful 4,000 pounds with the optional trailering package.
So, I'm at the end of my extended loan, and I've come away with a newfound appreciation for the Acadia. Perhaps the biggest eye-opener is this effortlessly powerful V6, making highway passing a breeze. It's really strong and refined. Ditto for the 6-speed. Now, would I have liked adaptive cruise control in a $46,000 vehicle? Yes. Cooled seats also would have been nice. And GM's interiors continue to disappoint from a quality per dollar quotient.
It's not off-putting, but it's also not worthy of the professional grade moniker. We know it, they know it, GM's lackluster cabin designs need to move beyond the bankruptcy era. Memory settings would have also come in handy with different drivers taking the wheel this week. Built at the old Saturn plant in Spring Hill, Tennessee, the Acadia is still good now and looks even better heading into 2020. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.